All right, everyone. So in this film, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put everything together. We're going to test it to make sure that everything is functioning just the way that we expect it to. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to traffic resources. We're going to click on this link. And then we're going to type in, I'll go ahead and put in, actually, let's do this email. We'll punch that in. Immediately, it takes us from the capture page to our thank you page. So that's working great. And then right here, look, I didn't update it. So make sure that you do update yours whenever you get that share code. Make sure that you update it. And then right here is our first opportunity. So somebody could go in here and click on this, go, hey, what's this about? Boom. Oh, 100 leads every day. Pretty cool. Whatever offer or whatever, however you want to redirect them for the first time that they're connecting with you. So this is working great. And then what we want to do is we're going to go back here. We're going to do a quick refresh. All right. And what we can see is it looks like, oh, hey, we've had, so it's been one unique, this is really good information. I want to point this out because I'd done this film earlier. It didn't save, so I had to do it again. But what's really nice is you can see, so I've had 3 total hit this website. I haven't sent it out to anybody, but it's only one unique. And the reason why this is valuable is because it's the same person over and over again, which has been myself. So that's really good that you can actually see how many unique, they've all been real, but the unique. So these numbers can all be reflective. It's good insight for you to really understand what's going on, because sometimes you'll see a big total. And I can give you an example down here of where there has been some pretty big numbers. So like right here, 7,300 total, but only 6,500 unique. And then out of those unique, only 3,200 real. So this is really good information for you to understand. And you can click on these to really know what they are. But what is the most valuable is that we can see, click on this little statistics. And I can see that, all right, I had an opt-in, which was me. And then when I went to the thank you page, I can also see, check this out, that there was this opt-in here, which actually equates to a click. So it means somebody clicked the link that you sent. So this is really good information. And we know now, if we come over here, we're going to look at List Manager. Now, I have not finished completing the list, but that's okay, because guess what? I can see that there's 2 people. It's actually me both times. This was the first time I tried it, and here is the second time. So now this one will send an email out to do a verification, but because I haven't activated it yet, I wouldn't receive that welcome email. So I need to make sure and go and set that up with the autoresponder from the previous email or from the previous video, and then all of it will be completely automated for you, and your prospects that opt into your list will now start getting that email sequence for the next 14 days. So everything's working great there. What we'll do is in the next film, I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and start driving a boatload of traffic, and I'm going to give you probably 6 or 7 different ways that this is going to help you, so that you can do it both from a, let's say that you're on a tight budget. Maybe you just want to do it as free advertising. Lots of great resources for you to capitalize on for free. And then there's a couple of paid ways, one that has worked really well for me, and then another that's a little bit more of a premium, but gets excellent traffic. So be able to share those with you. Check them out in the video down below. See you there.